Hey everybody, this is just going to be a real quick one. We were talking this morning about how to mute people in the class stream in case you start seeing inappropriate comments or just general silliness showing up and you want to keep your stream clean for important information or whatnot. You get three options for if you want to mute a student. You can go to your class, like I have my anatomy and physiology here. Go to my Google classes, I'll pick my class. And then I can click on options right here. I can go down to general stream and I'll see students can post and comment here under stream. So I can click on this and then I can change that to students can only comment, and I can change it to only teachers can post or comment. So in other words, that basically you're muting everybody except for yourself. You'll be the only one that can post anything in the stream. The other way to do it is if you go again to the class itself, you can go to the specific comment that caused you to want to try and mute somebody, and you can take that comment and click on these three vertical dots next to them, and you can mute that student and delete the comment. And actually, if you select mute, it will give you an option to delete the comment as well. And if you click mute a second time, you will see a little icon pop up next to their name letting you know that it worked and they are muted in the future. There's one other way to do this. You can always reverse, by the way, and unmute them if you change your mind later on. Maybe have a discussion about appropriate comments on a social media platform. You can go to the class again, the homepage, and click on people, and you'll notice that all of your students have little check boxes next to them. If you click one of those check boxes, you can then use the actions drop down to send them all an email, remove them from your class, or the one we're talking about right now, mute them all in one go. Alright, so I hope that helps. So it's just a quick video, and that will help you manage the comments that are going on your class stream a little bit better. And I hope these videos are being useful to somebody, and I hope you're having a great day. Goodbye.